At FPA, we are unique in that we do not give these comprehensive end of semester, end of year, end of graduation exams. We do not participate in this mindless high stakes testing that has swept the nation, because that testing tells us nothing about our kids' achievement. It's all about data collection. Instead, at FPA, we have all of our new students take placement exams. We want to find out before we put your kids in one of our classes where they stand in certain subjects. And once they're in, then we move forward. All new FPA students and FPA students who have been with us but who have not taken a mathematics course with us, they are required to take a placement test in math before we can put them in a particular grade. The tests we use do not test a student's mathematical ability, but rather are designed to determine a student's skill level for placement. The results of these tests have been found to be extremely reliable. Students will only be placed in a grade level if they have the skills necessary to succeed there. FPA offers two kinds of high school math tracks for our students. There is the standard track, which is designed for students who are not planning to go into math or science-related fields when they graduate. However, our math and science track is designed to prepare students who are planning to enter a math or science-related field by offering them the ability to have completed calculus before graduation. And that's important because as America's public schools pull back math requirements, as Common Core lowers the overall standard of math, your kids will be able to get a full calculus education with us, something public school kids will not be able to receive. At FreedomProject Academy, we are very methodical in our approach to teaching your kid mathematics. That's because we understand how important math is for all future endeavors. So at FPA, students will complete all of the problem sets for each lesson because practicing a skill is the single best way to improve accuracy, speed, and the understanding of math concepts. And I want to emphasize this. In some programs, there'll be 4 or 5 practice questions. Kids do those and move on. But sometimes for us, your kids are going to be asked to do 25, 30 problems in succession that build on each other because they need that foundation. Our goal is that students attain mastery of their math material before we move them on to the next grade. Students from grades 6 to 12 must attain a grade of at least 70%, that's a C-, to be promoted to math at the next level. We do not believe a child who has a 60%, a D-, is really going to be able to thrive at that next level. In fact, experience has shown us that students who do not reach that C- level of mastery at a minimum before moving ahead end up frustrated and struggling with math. Our goal is not to set your kids up for failure, but to prepare them to be comfortable and intellectually secure as they move up through the grades in math.